Now let's take a look at group decision making. Do groups make better decisions than individual people? Compared to individuals, groups tend to generate more complete information. The sheer size of a group contributes to this tendency. Group decisions tend to be more accurate than the decisions of the average individual in the group, but less accurate than the judgments of the most accurate group member. In other words, the quality of a group's decision lies somewhere between the quality of the average member's decision and the quality of the most accurate member's decision. Groups also tend to produce a greater diversity of ideas. This is one of the main advantages of groups and teams. The diversity of ideas, creativity, innovation, thinking outside the box. When group members participate in the decision-making process, the final decision tends to be more accepted by those group members than when the leader or a single person makes the final decision. Here are some of the weaknesses of group decisions. They often require more time to make. It takes time to collect data and discuss it as a group. Individuals can often make decisions faster. Group decisions are more susceptible to conformity pressures than individuals. Groupthink, for example, is a situation in which the pressure to conform to the group prevents the members from being critical of their own ideas. Groupthink prevents them from even thinking about unusual, minority, or unpopular views. The group decision-making process tends to be dominated by a few members, even though we would like every group member to participate. Because more than one person is involved in the decision-making process, each member's role or responsibilities may be unclear. When individuals make decisions, the responsibility falls solely on their shoulders. In the next part of this lecture, you're going to learn about a few different types of decision-making groups.